Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy S23 FE 1UI 7 all new features and all new changes. So, let's begin. Okay, first you can see lock screen. Now you can see lock screen open, new animation. This is completely look like iPhone. Now control center. Swipe left down notification panel and swipe right down control center. You also expand control center, tap on edit and you also expand your control center or edit all controls. If you want old 6.1 control center, then tap on edit, panel setting and set together. Now you can see notification panel and control center together. Tap on edit, panel setting. After click separate, swipe right down control center and left notification panel. This is really awesome. Now guys, you can see all new widgets. Tap on widgets and you can see guys all new widgets, weather widget available in all size. Now tap on camera and you can see camera UI completely changed like S25, S25 Ultra devices. Now you can see app drawer. Guys, if you want vertical app drawer, then tap on option, sort and alphabetical order and you can see vertical app drawer on your S23 FE device. If you want again horizontal app drawer, then sort, custom order and you can see our horizontal app drawer is here. Now next feature, go to setting, battery and go to battery protection. You can see now you can't set only in 80%. Battery protection you can see 85%, 90% and 95%. Now tap, go to setting and you can see icon size, app size option now in home screen setting. And go to home screen grid and you can see 4x6 home screen grid add on One UI 7. Now I rotate my device and guys, you can see In landscape mode, our S23 FE, widgets and apps perfectly set on home screen. You can see teeny app drawer in landscape mode, and you also set vertical app drawer in landscape mode. Guys, you can see now app open close animation is more smoother than One UI 6.1. And animation and app open close shape little bit change in One UI 7. Now tap on wallpaper and style, change wallpaper, and you can see new dog wallpaper add on our S23 FE. Now guys, I lock my phone and I connect my phone in charger, and you can see new charging animation. Again you can see new charging animation. Now guys, go to setting and lock screen, and you can see navbar features on lock screen. Simply enable all these options, and after play any music, then you can see navbar feature on your S23 FE device. Top left side you can see media player in notification panel. Then tap and you also play or pause music like iPhone's Dynamic Island. Now talk about new changes. Then you can see status bar and battery, and also you can see battery in status bar, also in always on display. All icons really awesome. Now you can see guys, folder you also set in large folder on One UI 7. So guys, this is Galaxy S23 One UI 7, all features and new changes. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.